Oh, it's right at the top. What are you doing? Zoom. On. Wow.
The hair, the bod.
I need to switch to Julie and just test something real quick.
Aw.
What?
I'm surprised you didn't switch cosmetics.
Okay.
Go from her DLC to her default cosmetics. The jiggle physics happens in full effect.
Hey, let me just peep that real quick. Hold on. Ah! Oh no! I've never seen it so clear. That's unbelievable.